Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
Hi, I'm Kyle Siegel. I'm an operations supervisor for the Forest Preserve District of Will County. I've been with the district for 17 years. I first started working here because I like to be outside and working with my hands. I grew up on a farm, so I'm used to labor and just enjoy the outdoors. My first position at the Forest Preserve was a seasonal in the operations department. Go around, help all the crews, take care of the parks, weed whip, blow, mow, whatever they needed me to do. All the years prior to becoming a supervisor, working in the field has helped me big time because I was able to actually do the work, know how long it takes, and I could tell the guys to do this work, and I've done it before, so they know that if I'm asking them to do it, it's something that needs to be done, and we know we can handle it. A typical day looks like in the morning, we have our morning meeting to go over things that have come up, go over a game plan on what we want to address for the day. This time of year, we're doing a lot of mowing and trimming, and sometimes trees are falling down from storms, so we got to do tree cleanup. So each day is a little different depending on the season. But yeah, I'd say right now a lot of mowing and trimming. Wintertime, we do a lot of plowing and maintenance on the sidewalks and driveways and keep everybody safe. I do spend some time in the preserves, not as much as I would like, but I like to get out as much as I can. But it doesn't feel quite like work when we go there as a family. We're there to enjoy and explore ourselves. They take their bikes out to the preserves like Shaman Wood. They ride around the pond. Sometimes we'll go fishing, just hiking in the woods, exploring. I say Shaman Wood is my favorite preserve. Yeah, I live in Shanahan, so I enjoy. It's got pretty much everything at that place, whether it's water, you can get on a boat out there, you can go fishing, you can hike, you can ride the bikes around the trail. There's a lot of stuff you can enjoy at that preserve. The most rewarding part of the job is seeing the public come out and enjoy our preserves and trails, especially the kids. I have a couple of kids myself, so I love when I see a young child out there seeing something new, exploring, just pure joy on their face out in nature. The work that maintenance operations crews do is important because it helps keep the parks safe and maintained well so people can go out and just enjoy themselves without worrying about getting hurt or overgrown things. But there are some portions of the trail that are supposed to be overgrown, so people who like to explore that way can also enjoy the nature of that. Some parks bring different challenges, like nature preserves. You have to make sure you're bringing in clean product and everything has to stay the same. It's more of a challenge to do those types of places because you can't just bring anything in there and do work. You have to make sure that it's done the right way. There's been quite a bit of changes 16 years I've been here. Basically, a lot of acquiring properties, trails have expanded, preserves have expanded, a lot of things like that. Just the expansion and newer stuff, more amenities for public to do. It's just really taken off for the future.